I bought this bike off Marketplace and it was wrecked. You can see why. So they laid it out, ran into a curb, and they laid it out. Totally destroyed this front fork. So all the fairings, the cowlings, everything just mashed up pretty good. I've got bits and pieces that are still alright, but fork's gonna go, handlebars gotta go. This is gonna be a project. I've got it on some weirdo stands because I don't have a good bike stand for this one. The whole back end needs replaced. But I got a project and I'm excited about it. And I'm gonna share it with people. Just doing a quick little update, everybody. You can see right here. I've ordered some new body panels. I got straight forks on there, which is nice. I actually wrote it yesterday. It is coming along, you know, just piece by piece. Even got myself some of these custom foot pegs right here. Check that out. Bet you guys wish you had one of those. But it rides. It's got some get up. Done some repairs. But just a quick update, we're moving along. More to come. And I've got a new radiator. I've got the fairings and cowlings that are painted by me, so up close they look like garbage, but at a distance this thing looks pretty sweet. This is going to be my hardest thing, so anyone have any advice for how to do body work? Almost every Ninja 650 right around my age is has dents on either side of the tank. I looked on eBay and they're all about the same. So I've got some material to mold over here. Cut the size, then put Bondo on it and try to mold it to look like that. That's gonna be fun. I am making a video out of this entire rebuild, just to, one, so I know what I was doing, but two, hopefully to help me sell this thing. So the idea being I'll post it on YouTube or something like that, so you guys can see kind of all the things that I've done, maybe give you some ideas. I still have the back to work on. You know, the light works, which is great, and it's an integrated tail light. The only problem is because of the underbody kit that they had on here originally, I have no idea how to get these turn signals in, so I might have to purchase original turn signals and put the eliminator kit right here. The only seller I can find is in China, in Beijing, which means they won't come until February. So this bike, which is okay. I mean, this bike's going to be with us until next season. That's when I want to sell it, you know, right when everyone starts riding again. So, but if anyone has any idea on the Bondo / repair of this tank, a way to make it look good, try to get that, I'd appreciate that. But overall, not bad. It's starting to come together. And wanted to give an update.